Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about a brown sugar scrub using lime and ginger essential oil. You can make this easy ginger lime brown sugar scrub to help exfoliate your skin and soften it up during those harsh months or other seasons where your skin gets a little bit more drier than it maybe usually does. The great thing is that you can use this 1 to 2 times a week on your hands, feet, legs, or arms. You can also add your favorite essential oils and give this scrub as a gift. Sharing is caring. The ingredients are 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of Turbinado sugar, 1/2 cup of the doTERRA fractionated coconut oil, 10 drops of the doTERRA lime oil, and then 5 drops of the doTERRA ginger oil. It's important to note that the Turbinado sugar is a large grained sugar that will help with deep exfoliation, aka helping the new skin push up through. If you don't have Turbinado sugar, you can use all natural brown sugar as an alternative. The directions are combining the brown sugar, the Turbinado sugar, the fractionated coconut oil, and essential oil into a bowl. Next, you want to stir it until it's well combined, then store it in an airtight glass container. To use, you just apply a small amount to your hands or the area that you want and scrub for about 30 seconds or until the sugar dissolves. Then you can rinse with warm water and pat dry. A tip here is that for extra soft skin, apply the doTERRA Spa and Hand Body Lotion afterwards to moisturize and hydrate your skin like nobody's business. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out those links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.